Welcome to my house. In a matter of days, I had to find a place to live and pack up everything I had on 2 floors and move. Insurance has been taking care of me all along the way. It's real quiet right now in my house. It's been kind of gutted. I had a washer leak and it flooded 2 floors of my house. So it took a while and it's been gutted. You can see it's right down to the subfloor. They found asbestos in some of the floors, so all of the floors on the main floor had to be taken out, and there was asbestos abatement, and there was also asbestos on the walls here in my sunroom. My house is about 100 years old, and there were several layers of floor. The fireplace had to go. The floors are really damaged, but they'll all be repaired. There's even holes in the subfloor where they had to scrape out all of the layers of floor. This is my kitchen. It's also been gutted because the washing machine was right down the hallway and the water just soaked the floors right through to the basement. So the bottom cabinets have all been taken out and the floors. And I've decided on the cabinets and the counters and the appliances, and it's real quiet here right now. The hammers start pounding and the construction starts this week to get my house back, even better than it was before.